All right, we got a bit of a dope day planned. A little bit spur of the moment. We had a snowstorm last night, as you can tell. Look at this, holy, up to my knees. Yeah.
What's up, baby?
You ready?
You ready? Yo, I do what I wanna and I wanna what I do.
We got not only one, but two TRXs. And today is the TRX Snowday.
This is crack. This is crack. Rock cookie.
I don't know if you guys, if this, sound will do any justice, but you can absolutely hear this thing. Like, holy shit. This little plow. Is that a Ford fucking Ranger?
Yeah. Freaking Ford Ranger.
Digging their car out. Completely buried. We got another abandoned car. And it's a Ford fucking Ranger.
Fucking Ford Ranger.
This guy's stuck for sure. Another one. There's your Rubicon. Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're at Canadian Tire. Apologize for the wind.
Apologize for the shitty Broncos.
Me and Ash are gonna get a tow rope to tow the snowboard behind the truck. So we got tow ropes. Try and launch control.
Yeah, this is the button. Wow. Apply brakes.
Holy shit.
Didn't work so well.
MOPAR, baby. All right, so we just pulled over on Royal York in front of San Remo Bakery. Great bakery, by the way. We are gonna put the tow rope on the back of the truck, and I'm gonna hook up my snowboard, and we're gonna rip it south on Royal York and see how far we could go until the snow kind of thins out. Take it out slow, go.
Perfect, bud. Perfect. How's it going there, Jordan?
That's it for today's video. I wanted to do more snowboarding. There was just way too much cement exposed. If I went to turn or readjust, I just ended up on my ass. Anyways, I need you to like, sub, share, and don't forget.
If you can cope with a whole new image, you could be Dodge material.